Hoshizaki right here. We're gonna reuse the same bin because the bin's good. And the old Manitowoc head's coming off and going bye-bye. Look, there's one of my old stickers. Right there. Oh, that's so old school. Yep, that's back when I used to live on Stag Lane. Holy moly, that's ancient. That goes back to the late 90s. Late 90s. Early 2000s. Just gonna get some of this stuff off of here. We'll get to the back of it and see what we need to disconnect. Alright, so we still got juice up here. This one's hardwired, so I gotta find the breaker. I see the conduit goes up. I'm trying to remember where the breakers are at. They might be in the equipment room. If it is, I'll show you guys a little mini rack. And I'm seeing some pipes under there. This thing's up on these 2x6s. I think I can get my fat ass back here and turn that valve off. That's my water feed. That one right there, mama. Oh, it's a bummer to be a plumber, especially in the summer. It's all you get's dumber. There it is right there. See if I can reach it. Turn the water off. Yeah, it's pretty simple. That should do it right there. Okay, another good one. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. There it is. Tasty. Let's come down here and take a look in here. Nice and labeled. That's nice. Nice surprise. I got that turned off. Ice machine off. Looks like I can hear the rack. You guys want to see the rack? It's a small little rack. Copeland discuses. I've changed. They've downsized. I've changed these out in the middle of the night before when I used to work for the company in town. Oh, back in the olden days. All right, let's see if the power's off on this thing. The light should be out now. I'm having fun reminiscing. I haven't worked in here in a long time, so, and I got this to change out, so. I don't service that rack system anymore. Just because I don't want to keep that much refrigerant on hand. I think it's, so there's guys that are set up to do that stuff better than a one-man deal like myself. So, all right, back on point. Let's get this dewired. Water's turned off. Should have black, white, green. It's 115 volts. Yep, black, white, green. Black, white, green. Old school. Right here. I really like using the dishwasher hoses. They got it to there, and it probably got short. I might put a coupling right here. Well, it has a coupling. I might take another dishwasher cord from here to the Hoshizaki. Let's see. We'll see how it works out. And the only other thing I really need to go grab is my PVC cutter. Over to there. I'm gonna cut the PVC back to probably like right here. That'll give me options to repipe on the Hosh. And then the wiring's coming into here, so let's get that undone. His old Q model. The old Q model. Cut the wires out. Let's get this dude in chop. Come on, right there. There we go. Bammo. Disconnected and ready to come off. Double check my voltage on this one. Yeah, we're good. Water fitting and 3/4 inch male adapter for the drain. We should be in good shape. Excuse me. It's going to take longer to take all the stainless wrap off than it is to change out the damn ice maker. Okay, got the old one off. The gasket's still in good shape. It's just a little dirty, which I don't really worry about. The bin I got to sanitize after I get the machine on, and there she is, ready to go. What are we playing with today? The KM500? KML 500 MAJ. They went back to the mechanical bin switch on these ones, which I'm digging instead of the flapper. And then the new ones have the electronic eye for the bin switch. So this one's pretty basic. I'm digging it. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, look at this. I got the bin all sanitized with hot water and cleaner. I got the date. You always want to put your startup date on your ice maker. Let's see, we got circulate, and we're gonna go ice mode. See what happens here. When you switch over to the Hoshizaki from the Manitowoc on the Manitowoc bin, it's gonna stick out in the front a couple inches. But the door is still gonna stay open. That's better. There you go. True. Harvest time. That should do it. Back in the freeze mode. Batch number 1.